Wanna learn Vietnamese? Let's go. Hi, I'm back. My name is T. I am a Vietnamese teacher. Today, I'm going to show you how to pronounce the sound ng, one of the most common sound in Vietnamese. For example, the most popular Vietnamese family name is Nguyen. Can you say it? Nguyen. If you can say it, great. If you cannot, that's okay. It's not difficult. Let's do it together. Okay, let's talk about sound ng. A lot of my students would pronounce n instead of ng. I can totally understand because this sound doesn't really exist in English or any other language. I'm not sure based on my experience. But in the Vietnamese alphabet, you would find two letters, NG and NGX, that sound exactly the same, ng. They are only different in writing. There is such writing rule that when you need to combine the sound with I and two E. In Vietnamese, these vowels are E, E, and A. You have to combine with the complex ng. So the name of these two letters in Vietnamese is ng đơn and ng kép. Đơn is mean single and kép is mean complex. I will explain the theory of making this sound. Basically, in English, there is this sound exists too, but in another form. So when you pronounce this word in English, thing, you see, you do stop the sound by thing. In Vietnamese, the sound has the same form, but the position of the mouth is a little different and we kind of speak it out. While in English, you stop thing. Okay, so the theory of this sound is you would make this sound by pushing the column of the air from your throat up to your oral cavity and nasal cavity. At the same time, pushing the air column, you lift the back tongue so that the tongue partially blocks this column and creates the sound. That is the theory. We do step by step. Pushing the column of the air from the throat to the oral cavity to your mouth and nasal cavity to your nose. It's like this. You know, when you need to prepare your voice for singing. From the throat to the nose. At the same time, pushing this air column, you need to move your back part of the tongue to block partially this air column, and you will have the sound. Look. If you pronounce letter N, you say N. That is the work of your tip tongue. Here, it will be the work of the air column and the back part of your tongue, which is ng. This is when you practice. Step number 1. Step number 2, move your back part of your tongue. Do it slowly and you can practice the sound. I will do it slowly, one by one. Step 1. Step 2, move the tongue. So to prepare the sound, you need to do this. And then you move your tongue. That's it. It's not that difficult, but it might take a little of time to practice. Let's see. There are some word ng combined with a vowel. Nga, nga. So basically, this one is ng and a. Nga, nga. This one is ngô, ngô. Ngon, ngon. Nghe, nghe. Nghi, nghi. That's it. Let me know if it helps, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.